Hi guys, I want to present before you this a very popular vocabulary called way better, and काफ़ी popularly use होती है. That's why I thought it is very important to make a video on this. So let's get started and let me first of all show you the meaning. ठीक है, as a noun way का मतलब है route. This is the way to airport. Many times we say that, and this is the way of cooking this type of chicken as a recipe. ठीक है, that is second meaning, method. But as an adverb, as an adverb of degree, it means a lot. Okay, यानी कि much. तो अगर हम इसके examples देखें, that will obviously help you understand better. My performance in 2020 was way better than this year. अब इस sentence में आप देख सकते हैं कि way better का मतलब है much better, क्योंकि way as an adverb यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है, which means as I said earlier that it means much और lot. ठीक है, यानी कि lot better और much better. ठीक है, so मेरी परफॉर्मेंस 2020 में इससे कई ज़्यादा बेटर थी. ओके, जो सेकंड सेंटेंस है आइए उसको देखते हैं. दिस अचीवमेंट इज़ वे बिगर देन द लास्ट वन. सो इन दिस वन व्हाट वे बिगर मीन्स इज मच बिगर और लॉट बिगर. ओके, एंड लेट्स सी वन मोर or maybe two more examples. The technology in 2021 is way ahead than the technology in 2010. अब यहाँ पे ahead का मतलब है, ahead मतलब होता है आगे, way ahead means much ahead और lot ahead. ठीक है, so technology in 2021 is much ahead or lot ahead than technology in 2010. In the same way, roads in my city are way cleaner. Okay, now you know that what it means, much cleaner or lot cleaner. So the point is this, way के साथ as you can see on my screen you can use any adjective. ठीक है, way deeper, way smarter, way taller, way costlier, whatever you want to use, that would mean much deeper, much smarter, much taller or much costlier. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share about this this vocabulary, and please like, share and subscribe. And also if you need any personalized classes, let me know at this information. And that's it for now. I'll keep on coming up with more such vocabulary, trendy vocabulary, and bye for now.